She doesn't need to show you her ID, sir.
It's her vehicle, so I'd like to confirm.
No, she hasn't committed any crime. I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
But you are giving me a hard time.
Yeah, well, okay, if you want to look at it like that, I am going to give you a hard time over it because I am all about my rights.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by bwaller76 and is another great reminder of what is and isn't required of you or your passengers during a traffic stop. Back in August of 2015, B. Waller was traveling through Boise County when Deputy Lamson pulled him and his wife over for an alleged traffic infraction. Numerous attempts were made to identify the vehicle's passenger. The following is what transpired.
Hey there, Deputy Lamson, Boise County Sheriff's Office. The reason I'm stopping you going 59 is 45 through here.
Oh, I thought it was 55.
Nope. Do you have a driver's license, proof of insurance, registration with you? Been 45 for about the last 10 miles for you.
Oh, I thought it was 55. Okay.
Is this your car, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Are you Jennifer?
Yeah.
Do you have your ID with you?
She doesn't need to show you her ID, sir.
It's her vehicle, so I'd like to confirm.
No, she hasn't committed any crime. She's not going to show your ID. I'm sorry, sir. It's not going to happen. No, I apologize.
I need to confirm that it's her vehicle.
With all due respect, no, you don't. I'm driving. You don't actually.
I need to.
No.
It doesn't matter if that you're driving.
Do you suspect her of committing a crime?
No, I do not.
Okay. Then,
but I need to. Her name is on her registration. I need to confirm that it's her.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, sir. I'm driving. She doesn't need
It
to show
doesn't
your
matter.
ID. She's not going to show your ID, dude. It's not going to happen.
Sir?
I apologize, sir.
Okay.
If you would like to, you can get your. With all due respect, I appreciate what you do, and I'm not trying to give you a hard time.
But you are giving me a hard time.
Yeah, well, okay, if you want to look at it like that, I am going to give you a hard time over it because I am all about my rights, and she has rights. You don't suspect her of any crime. She's not. You haven't pulled her over.
That this is her vehicle.
No, you don't.
So if this vehicle is stolen, that doesn't make a difference. It's going to come back to a Jennifer Ramsey.
Do you suspect this vehicle being stolen?
Possibly. I have no idea.
No, you're right. You have no idea. You have to have reasonable, articulable suspicion.
I do.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
No, you don't. I'm sorry, sir. It's not going to happen.
I need to confirm that this is Jennifer Ramsey.
Supervisor, please.
He's not on right now.
Well, I apologize then. It's not going to happen, dude. You can do whatever you need to do. You can violate my rights. You can violate her rights.
Anybody's
you can violate her rights. She's not going to present her ID. You pulled me over. It's not going to happen.
Okay. So if this vehicle is stolen and the person that's driving it,
go check.
I have no idea.
Go check. Go check.
Okay.
Run the vehicle.
You said this was your vehicle, correct?
Run the vehicle. Yeah.
It's still going to come back to a Jennifer Ramsey.
She's my wife.
Okay. I don't know if this is Jennifer or not.
It doesn't matter. You don't need to know. You don't need to know.
Yes, I do.
Sorry. Go run the vehicle. See if it's stolen. That's all you got to do, man.
It may not come back as stolen, sir.
I don't care. I don't care. Then you have no articulable suspicion of anything.
B. Waller received a speeding ticket and was set free without his wife providing her ID. He immediately headed to the sheriff's office and found that a supervising deputy sheriff was available. B. Waller later filed a complaint, but it is likely that it wasn't taken seriously. In the beginning of the interaction, Deputy Lamson asked if the passenger's name was Jennifer, if she had ID, and if the vehicle was hers. She acknowledged that she was indeed Jennifer, and that the car was hers, which is much more information than is required to offer. At this point, any reasonable officer would assume that based on their shared names, that she responded to the name Jennifer, and that she was the one who retrieved the registration and insurance, that she was probably Jennifer, B. Waller's wife, and the owner of the vehicle, and without indications or reports that the vehicle was stolen, pushing for her ID was only the result of an authoritative ego. Had B. Waller been alone, it is highly unlikely that the deputy would have called Jennifer or had her show up to the traffic stop to verify that it is her vehicle. The deputy got overly pushy because for once, someone told him no. So far, the Supreme Court has not yet ruled that an officer can identify the passenger of a vehicle absent of reasonable articulable suspicion or when necessary to issue a citation. But for some reason, law enforcement officers still see incidents like this as suspicious, rather than an American citizen grasping at what little privileges we have left. I personally find it refreshing to see that people are refusing to do things that they aren't required by law to do. Be sure to stick around for our next episode, where we will discuss normalizing the refusal of field sobriety tests. Be sure to check out B. Waller's channel linked below, and while you're there, let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.